RB, dito ka. Ganto mo lang.
Yan.
Yan. Ulit. Sakto. Yun.
Na-bracket ko ba yung ano? Sa La Liga? Yung project.
Ay, parang komandante ata yun.
Ay, bakit?
Oh, mas mataas na division yun. Komandante.
Kasi mga tropa ko.
Ay, nandoon. Susunod na liga, bro. Dapat sumali ka sa amin. Para, may fine nga yun. Kung hindi makompleto, minsan kulang kami.
Kasi ito, Liga, may nag-away daw.
Oo, kaya.
Ito pamangkin ko. Mga steadfast.
Bale, ko yung ano, yung Lorenz niya, Brights, ba yung
Oh, yun naman kapatid ko. Ito, sa Pangilinan, sa asawa ko. Yun, bunso namin yun, si Bokbok, si Brian, right?
Lays, no good. 4 millimeters. Fast break over speed to JJ Cruz. JJ Cruz on the left side. Carlos cruising fast. He is third for 2 points by Carlos. Look at my biceps. Sabi ni Carlos. Traveling violation. Fast ball. 5-0 in the game. JJ Cruz, pass to Atlas Sunday, strong opening. No good, JJ Cruz to it. Bounce pass, kay Carlos, in and out. Sale. Raimundo. Spin, back to Sale. No good. To JJ Cruz. JJ Cruz. Hey! Slicing by JJ Cruz. 7-0. Jeffrey Coley. Change of direction. Bounce pass to Liza. The beautiful pass by Socorro. 7-2. Ganda na laban, ha? Benavides. Trapas to Carlo. Once again. Del Socorro. Bumi. Trapa. Bounce pa sa ilalim ng side. Liza. Defender is there. Here's the top kick. So now we pull up. No good. Kanila ulit. Zion good. Sunday, loving Sunday. To Baldy, no good. Liza slicing, stolen by Zion time. Jillian Cruz controls the ball. What a great defense by Zion time to stop the offensive transition. Paul Benavides inside. Miscommunication to Liza. Liza on Paris. Sunday, never quit. Same ball. Side ball. Good ball. Sizing off, using the glass. No good, too short to JJ Cruz. Sunday. At the Sunday. Diretso, yes 11-2. Last 7 minutes in the game. Sale. Inside. Stop. Moista. To Raimundo. To Jeffrey. Wide open. 3. No good. Carlos. Nagkakalit. With goes the ball. Back to Zion. Zion time. Back to Sunday. Sunday. Setting up the play to Cruz. Easy and down. Lapas kay Ponti. Drop pass. Beautiful pass to Carlos. What a game.
Shut down.
Substitution. Very well.
Hinga. Pwede pa. Hinga lang, hinga. Masasali.
Del Socorro. 3 seconds violation. Pass ball. To JJ Cruz. JJ Cruz once again. JJ Cruz. AI! Traveling violation. Cruz Liberty. Inside to down center.
3 points sila.
Ball B to Cruz. Wala. To Jesse Gobi ang pagdali. Gobi away. There's a foul. What's goal?
Ilang minutes mo stage ko?
Dapat 6 minutes. Pero okay.
Del Socorro first cross. Yes, sir. Second opportunity, no good. Change score. Change score, mga kapatid. Liza, here's so good. Oy, Sunday! Opponent's ball. Last 4 minutes and 10 seconds in the game. 13-8. Lamang ang depensa ng 5. Gobi. Yes, sir, by Liza. 13-10. Tatlo na lang yan. Sunday, setting up play. Stolen by Raimundo. To Del Socorro. Socorro. Fake. What a pivot. To Liza. Fake again. No good. Another one. Yes, sir. Beautiful pass by Socorro. Kobe. Dahil Kobe. Mga Kobe talaga maraming bata. There is 12. Sa kanilang lamang ang offensa, okay? Oy! Beautiful play! 15-12. Liza! Stolen by Ponti to JJ Cruz. JJ Cruz. Jumps. Roll. So good. That's a wow! Yes, sir. 15-14. Last 2 minutes. At the Sunday, feeling it. 17-14. Nakita niyo yung ano? Yung footwork ni At the Sunday. Oy! Stolen! Bola. Good.
1 second. 1 second. Ay, 1 minute.
1 minute and 24 seconds. Pagod.
Ang yayaman nyo, kaya mo panawa.
Wala naman sa group eh.
Hindi ka nila. Oy! Stolen! 17-14. Last 1 minute. 1 minute ah. Oy! Sayang! Seconds, 17-14, depensa kayo, 20-40. 14 to shoot. JJ Cruz, oy, gandang pasa! What a court vision by Ponzi in 1. No good. Raimundo, trampas kay Sales. Solid. Converts. Last 10 seconds, 19-16. Team points kayo. May konti yan. Kobe, 3. No good. 2, 1. Game